we have given diagram, and AC is perpendicular to BE. What else? At point D. D is the midpoint of AC, and BA is congruent to BC, so we can write that BA is congruent to BC, so the side BA is equal to side BC, and we have that BE bisects angle ABC. It means that the measure of angle ABD is equal to measure of angle DBC. So we can write that these two angles are congruent. So let me write this now. We have that ABA is equal to BC. We have that angle ABD is congruent to angle DBC. What else? Because D is the midpoint of AC, it means that segment AD is equal to segment DC. So we can write that AD is equal to DC. We have here two right triangles, because here we have right angle, it means on the other side we have right angle. So we can write that angle BDA is congruent to angle BDC. What else? Side BD is congruent to side BD. Or we can write that the segment BD is equal to BD. So we see that we have all sides of our two triangles are congruent, and because these two angles are congruent, ABD with DBC and BDA and BDC, it means that angle A and angle C must be congruent too, because measure of angle A and measure of angle C is 180 degree minus right angle and minus angle B divided by half, because BE bisects angle ABC. So it means these two angles are equal. So because all sides and all interior angles are congruent, it means that triangle BAD is congruent to triangle BC, of course, D. This is my solution.